The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a flash flood warning for central Stark County in north central Illinois, northeastern Knox County in west central Illinois until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday at 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Wyoming, Talon, West Jersey and Lafayette. Precautionary and preparedness actions. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.